Find your perfect adventure partner at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer. Our 2024 Kona Preferred with Trend package is packed with features to keep you comfortable, stylish, and safe no matter where you're headed. With its sleek design and sunroof-ready vibes, this SUV will have you cruising Fredericton streets with confidence and style. Slide into our cozy leather seats and enjoy the luxury of heat on frosty mornings, with a heated steering wheel to keep your hands happy too. All-wheel drive provides solid performance for those snowy Oromocto commutes, while navigation ensures your weekend drives up the Nashwaak are stress-free. And hey, our Kona's remote start, blind spot monitoring, and rear camera will make every trip easier and safer. From crisp, sunny fall drives to slushy city parks, our Kona's compact size fits tight spots without breaking a sweat. Plus, it comes with alloys, factory warranty, and our exclusive 12-month Huggable Guarantee. Book your test drive today. Visit us in Fredericton or call 506-459-6832.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya.